Hey, what's up with you guys? Hope you're doing well. This is Ethan here, and I'm here with another video, another testimonial, another juicy payout from one of our clients who's been trading since almost a couple of months ago using AI trading bots. No manual trading whatsoever, and he could literally pull out over $15,000 in profit on his $1 million account on the lowest risk possible. So this is not a joke, guys, because it's been around for almost a couple of years. A lot of people haven't tapped into it yet because they don't know what AI trading bots is. They have no idea. They think they need to go through the traditional route, sit behind the charts, do all the boring stuff, and then eventually blow multiple accounts just to learn their lessons. And then at the end of the day, they get out of the market and they think it's nothing but a scam. They don't know the right way. They don't have the right tools. And that's why they are experiencing like such a big loss. So you don't have to be one of them. So this guy, by the way, you can join our Telegram channel by clicking the link below in the description. I highly recommend you to stay in the channel and see all the daily results that we post. It's very, very important, guys, because you can see the power of these systems and you can understand how they work and how you can use them, even though you have no experience. I'm not sure if you're an experienced or inexperienced trader. It doesn't matter because it doesn't require your knowledge whatsoever. It's completely on autopilot and you can grow your account, whether you want to pass your prop firm challenge or grow your personal account, or even manage the live account of a prop firm. So this guy, as I said, $15,400. You can also verify that yourself. And then besides that, there are so many other testimonials that you can look at in our channel. If you go to the hashtags, hashtag Royal EA, hashtag live, hashtag withdrawal, you can see everything right here if you search. For example, hashtag withdrawal, and you can see every single result right here. So people are crushing it, guys. It's not just like one or two people that are doing this. And the system we use is called Royal EA Incubator. And this is by far the simplest yet the most advanced EA in the market. And you can see that. So this is Royal EA on a 100K account. The settings are pretty straightforward. You just need to change a couple of numbers. We talk about everything in our VIP channel. So once you join, you will get access to the tutorials and stuff, and you can grow any account. So it's a 100K account. We made $4,700 in almost 2 weeks on the lowest risk possible. So it's very easy, guys. It's easy to show these numbers and it's also easy to achieve them. It's not like manual trading that you need to know the tactics or backtest them or blow some accounts to just like experience manual trading, because those days are over and nobody wants to do it anymore. A lot of people don't have time or energy, or they simply don't want to go through all the hassle. So that's how it is, guys. If you want to pass a challenge, this is the simplest way. And something that's more interesting is that we can give you the direct live accounts in less than 24 hours without passing a simple challenge, like a single challenge. You don't have to go through passing phase, and we'll give you access to a direct live account, completely funded, ready to withdraw after 21 days. And the accounts range between $6,000 to $1 million. Yes, you heard that right. And if you want to find out more, there's a link in the description. If you click it, you'll see all the information. You'll get in touch with our support team and they'll help you out with everything, with the entire process, that how we can give you the live account. It supports every country, even if you are from US. And AI trading bot can manage it for you. You can either get access to the unlimited license of the EA, or our team can take care of it for you. So basically everything is hands off and with no hassle, completely hassle free. Thanks for watching this video, guys. And if you're serious, you know what to do, and let's crush it.